And guys, I'm frying dry fish in the cabin. This is my lunch for today. Ayan. Dry fish. Wow, continue frying dried fish. Ayan, small fish na ngayon. We call it dilis. Pag nagpa-fried kayo ng dry fish, mag-ano kayo ng candle para hindi gaanong maamoy or maalis yung amoy habang nag-frying kayo ng dried fish.